Hello viewers, welcome to our channel ECOC. Do you facing a problem of hands while facing your enemy in your game? Here we have a great and easy solution to attack your enemy by wearing your finger sleeve. Say bye-bye to powdering your hands and make your own sleeve by viewing this video. Before entering to the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Firstly, take a old cloth to your comfort. I took a old inner vest. Then thread, a scissor, marker, a normal needle. Now take your cloth and turn it on the inner side. Place your cloth on a flat surface and take your finger to which you need a glove and place your finger inside as I did. Give an impression very close to the finger and make a mark by using a pen or a marker. Now take your finger out without moving your cloth. It's time to cut your cloth by giving some space next to the mark. I cut on my cloth completely by giving some space where I given a mark. Now take your needle with a thread and start sewing your ground. I am taking a black color thread for a visibility. While you stitching, don't forget to take your cloth color thread. Once you started sewing your glove, don't forget to give a 4 to 5 stitches at the starting because then only it's never tear off. Once you've given a strong stitches on the start, continue by giving stitches on the mark. I am using a back stitch for sewing this cloth because it looks neat while wearing the glove. Once you came to the end of your sewing place, don't forget to give a 4 to 5 stitches as we did already at the starting. Once you're done with the strong stitches, then give a good knot to secure your stitches. Place your knot very close to the cloth, then only it never came off, and cut the excess thread. Now cut down the excess cloth from the stitched glove. Turn your outside of the cloth like as I did. Now our hand stitched glove is ready. Let's see how to sew the same glove by using a sewing machine. Place a cloth and start stitching on a mark from the start to the end. Never forget to give a 2 to 3 stitches while starting and while finishing the stitches. Slowly stitch on the way to the mark by turning your cloth and complete your stitches nicely. I am running one more stitch on the same mark to make my glove more good. I am cutting excess cloth from the glove for the comfort. Then turn a glove for a complete outlook. Happy playing by wearing your own gloves? Give a thumbs up to the video and give your support by subscribing our channel Easy or Easy and share the videos to your friends. Then never forget to click the bell icon for more future videos.